A few people have asked how I crack my eggs one-handed in my videos, so I thought I would share how I crack them that gives me about a 90% return rate with intact yolks. Controversy will likely ensue. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to crack some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Let's start with the controversy. Any chef will tell you to crack an egg on a flat surface, otherwise it will shove shell into the egg. Well, that doesn't work for me. Every time I crack an egg on a flat surface, my yolk breaks and I invent new curse words, so this is the method that works for me. Use whatever you are comfortable with. Give the egg a light tap in the middle on the edge of a stove or counter, which both have rounded edges in my kitchen. If you're practicing or baking, crack it into a bowl to catch any shell. I knew by the uneven break when I cracked that one that it was going to have shell, but my yolk was still intact. So here's my step-by-step version. Tap the egg lightly in the middle on a rounded edge if possible. When you see the break in the middle, it needs to have more than a hairline crack to be able to get the proper amount of pressure to do it one-handed without damaging the yolk. You can see that another light tap gave it just enough crack where we want it. Now here's my secret. Remember those rubber coin holders that your grandparents or like some random elder would thumb through back in the day? It's the same concept of giving that light pressure to the sides of the coin purse, or in our case, the crack of an egg, and giving a very gentle squeeze which will open the shell and drop out your perfect egg inside. It'll take some practice and you'll be showing off your new skill where the only person totally amazed may just be you, but you know what? That's okay. Sometimes it's the little things. For more tips and tutorials, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.